Hi everybody, this is Adam out here at Karl Kustoms, and today we're going to show you proper way to open up one of our crate engines that you will receive from us. This one here is one of the bigger ones because it is a turnkey model. It has everything in it from your front drive, carburetor, distributor, starter, all that stuff comes with us. So this one here is this particular one here is bigger than most time. Most of the time it's only gonna be about 4 foot squared. This one here is about 6 foot or 5 foot long. The first thing you wanna do when you get this from us is make sure that this box looks like this when you get it from us. If there's any cuts, any damage, anything looks like it may have ran into it anywhere along there, please notate it on the delivery receipt that there was damage, whether you see any or not. It needs to be notated if there is damage on the inside of the engine so we can properly take care of you. So that's the first thing you want to do. Second thing, there's some paperwork that comes with it. You're going to have your invoice. It's going to be, this will be the first thing you see here. It tells you what you need to do if there's any issues with the engine itself. And also you're going to receive the warranty paperwork, and then of course the invoice with the engine will all be in a sleeve on the outside of the container. A lot of different times people don't know how to open these up because there's a lot of staples, a lot of things going on here. Some people just like to start ripping into the box. This actually has a wooden frame around it. So the proper procedure to open this up is on this bigger boxes, you're gonna have 3 lag bolts down here. On a typical just an engine, no turnkey style one, it's only gonna have 2. But what you do here is you just remove these 3 lag bolts. And then there's 3 on the other side as well. Remove those 6. And then basically this top half is easily removed. And I'll have Clint come in here and help us take this off, but you just pick it up and slide it off. And the main purpose really is when we do this, when we uncrate it and take it off, is that if there is any issue with the engine, whether it be the wrong engine or other pieces inside missing, it's easily returnable back to us. If we put this back on, put the 6 bolts in, it's good to go, it's brand new still. If you take a crowbar to this, a Sawzall, you cut it all up, it's very hard to return it to us to get full credit. We can return it for credit, but you won't get full credit if I don't have a top box. So that's kind of why we're doing this, to make sure that when you do get an engine from us, you pull the top off this way, and if there's any issues, we can put it back on quickly and easily, button it back up with the bolts, and it's good to be returned. This is where you check it all out. There'll be a sheet, whether it's on this here or inside this box, that'll tell you everything that should be here. So at that point, go through, do an inventory of everything that should be with it, make sure it is all still there, and then let us know if there's anything missing. This is how it should be. How it should come. It should become sealed up with this liner to protect it. And that is how it should look when you get it from us. Just want to thank you for your purchase through Karl Kustoms. And if there is any problems or any concerns at all with this order, please feel free to give us a call and we'll get you taken care of.